How can a bucket hold a gallon of paint, but have a surface so large that no amount of paint could ever cover it? Evaluate the integral from 1 to infinity. Because the upper bound is infinity, we convert the improper integral into a limit. The integrand 1 over x has a simple antiderivative. Since we're integrating over positive x from 1 upward, the absolute natural logarithm of x is equal to the positive natural logarithm of x. Evaluate the definite integral from 1 to b. The logarithm grows without bound as its argument goes to infinity. So, while our intuition wants that thinning tail to eventually close off, the calculus tells a different story. As we've just proven, the integral of 1 over x from 1 to infinity diverges. It does not converge to a finite number.